In this video, you're going to learn how to make clear printable vinyl stickers using Cricut's Print Then Cut feature, and this is how our stickers turned out. So first, you're going to need some clear printable vinyl and a pack of laminating sheets, both of which we offer at Royal Elements. You're also going to need some matte tape, some tools, and a pair of scissors. We're going to use an Explorer Air 2. We're going to use our inkjet printer. And so opening up a pack of printable vinyl, this is what it's going to look like. It's slightly cloudy and opaque, but that's what you want. And so on Canva, we uploaded a bunch of custom images. We put them into a design on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. And we went ahead and selected the stitch stickers that we liked. And then we downloaded them as a transparent PNG file so that we only cut out the sticker portion and not just print the whole page on the white background. We downloaded that, and then we stuck this file right here of these 9 stitch stickers into our design space. So in Cricut Design Space, we started a new project. We uploaded those images there that you can see, selecting the stitch images, and then we put them into a new project. We got an error that said the image was too large, so we resized that down to the correct size. It said it was low resolution, but our stickers ended up printing amazing. And so here's what it looks like to print out the Print Then Cut feature with those cut files, the cut lines. And so we hit send to printer on our 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of clear printable vinyl, stuck it in our printer. We're using an inkjet DeskJet 3755, and so we printed those out, loading one sheet at a time so it wouldn't jam, and then we let the ink dry for a couple of minutes so that it wouldn't smudge, stuck it on our Cricut mat, and then we laminated it next. So clear printable vinyl is pretty durable, but if you add a laminating sheet like we do here, it makes it extremely durable, much more waterproof, and even dishwasher safe. And so that's what we would highly recommend. You can check out our products on royalelements.com or on Amazon. And so here we are putting on the laminating sheet using a little Discover card to squeegee out the bubbles. Okay, you can also use just a squeegee or something else. And then we put matte tape over the cut lines. Now, why do we do this? Well, if you have any glossy surface, the Cricut machine will have trouble reading those cut lines. It'll be too reflective and it will kind of freak out and get some errors. So we put matte tape over on top of it. You can also put Sharpie over it. But here we are loading our clear printable vinyl stickers into our Cricut machine. We hit go, and now the machine is going to read those cut lines. It's going to cut out the shape. And we ended up using the thickest setting possible. I believe Cardstock Plus is the thickest setting, so that it'll cut through the laminate, it'll cut through the clear printable vinyl, and through the backing sheet, so you can peel it off all the way through. And so we're going to use a couple of different colors of tumblers to show you the difference when using clear printable vinyl. A quick zoom up here. We apologize for the shaky camera. You didn't think you were going to get a seasick kind of vibe with this video, but unfortunately, it was shaky. And so here is our clear printable vinyl. Now against a white tumbler, all right, we stick it on, we smooth it out, and it looks super vibrant. The colors really contrast nicely with the white background, so the colors pop. It's cut out perfectly. It looks really good. You can put it through the dishwasher, no problem. And so for round 2 here, we pulled out another sticker with the laminating sheet over top of our clear printable vinyl. Then we stuck it on a slightly darker surface. Might be a little bit hard to tell, but the clear printable vinyl looks better and more vibrant on a white background than on a darker background, especially if that tumbler on the right was like black or very dark. Then the colors would be really faded because it's printed on a clear surface and not a white surface. And so that is kind of what it looks like to print out clear printable vinyl. Hope this video helped. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video.